buy the rumor, sell the news. So we ran the news from last week. Markets kind of rallied throughout the week, rallied into the FOMC, and then pretty much right after the conference, just market essentially just pretty much nuked itself. And now we have to kind of wait and see during US session tonight whether that sell-off was just mainly just kind of, the FOMC, or if it's really like, okay, this is like it, like this is the fun direction. We got lots of moving averages here for support in the meantime, so we do have some downside targets to reach if things do start getting weak here. But overall, like, I guess the FOMC wasn't like too overly bad. I think it was just more so the fact that people were already expecting, results.
Priced in, as they like to say.
I think the main news is just the fact that like Q2's ended. They're now buying T-bills to keep the reserves healthy and to essentially be liquidity friendly, which is kind of good in the long sense. I think the thing is, like, they talked about maybe just doing one cut next year so far. Not quite a cutting cycle just yet. Most of this inflation is due to tariffs. Not because of the actual underlying economy, but I do think that's bullshit. I think the economy is still kind of soft here, and then the labor numbers are going to be the main thing because their whole job is to cap unemployment, and I think they're projecting the unemployment is going to be a bit worse. So I mean that's technically a good thing for rate cuts, right? So we'll see.